Okay, so we have gram masala here. We got cayenne pepper. We got a white spelt flour. We got grapeseed oil. We have some Himalayan sea salt, and we have here some oyster mushroom. Okay, so today we're doing a vegan chicken. That's right. This is how I do my vegan chicken with oyster mushroom. Okay, this is a dry batter. I prefer to use the dry batter. So we mix that with the cayenne pepper, the sea salt, and the gram masala, and some flour. And what we do, we just get it coated with the flour. Make sure it's nicely coated. Dust them off, and we go for another one. And we get them all coated. Yeah. Okay, so we just sauteing our little veg we have. So all the peppers, the tomato, and I've just added a little bit of gram masala, cayenne pepper, a bit of salt, and coconut oil. And all we do is just saute that for a little bit. We put the ackee afterwards because it's really soft. If you stir it up too much, it just gets mushy very quick. So we just saute that for a couple minutes, and then we add our ackee. Okay, it's time to fry our chicken. Our chicken is ready. So you see, it's nicely marinated, ready to go. And we're using grapeseed oil to fry. So all we do, we're just ready to fry. Get them in there, get them nice and brown. Why we use grapeseed oil? Okay, our chicken is ready. That's a finished article. When you finish them, that's all ready to go. Okay, so we just add our ackee. So like I said, you gotta be careful. Just gently, because they're very soft. Actually, you know what? Let me just put the seasoning in first. So we have a bit of thyme. Just sprinkle a bit of thyme. I have some basil. Sprinkle a bit of basil. I have some parsley. A bit of parsley. And we have our oregano. That's that. Then we just gently go around. Very delicate.